Hey Money Movers, welcome back to Millennial Money Moves with Nadia. Before we get started, please take a minute and like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell. And before I tell you what today's video is about, I just wanted to let you know that anything I'll be talking about, you can purchase on most likely Webull or Coinbase. And there's links to both in the description box below. Webull right now is running this really cool deal where if you invest $100, you can get two free stocks worth up to $1,850. And that's pretty cool. So definitely go check that out. And with Coinbase, if you deposit $100, you get some free Bitcoin, which I think is pretty cool. So definitely go ahead and check out those links in the description box below if you're looking into opening some trading platforms. I personally use both. I think they're great. I'll never talk about any platform or anything on here that I'm not using or that I don't fully support, because I'm really just telling you guys what I'm doing. But today, this much awaited video, we are going to be talking about Dogecoin and some profit taking. So stay tuned.
So Nadia, what's up?
We making money moves.
Who making money moves?
We making money moves.
You making money moves?
We making money moves.
We making money moves.
We making money.
All right, I hope you guys are ready because today is Saturday, May 8th, and you guys know what that day is. I've been talking about it all week. Elon Musk is going on Saturday Night Live. And so a lot of people are asking, is it too late to buy? When should I sell? This sort of thing. So I just kind of wanted to give you a real-time update of what I'm doing. So today, Dogecoin hit a high of, I think I saw it at 72 cents. And I sold it at 70, it was like 0.70 something. I sold it in between 70 and 71 cents. I didn't sell all of it. I sold a large portion of it, but I'm holding the rest to see if it hits $1. I wanted to do some profit taking because I'm kind of doing a short-term and long-term position on this one. I split it up weirdly. It would have been smarter for me to do it in two different portfolios, but I did it this way because I was being indecisive, and there's a whole thing. With Dogecoin, it's just really different than how a lot of other altcoins or stocks have been working, because this one started off as a meme. And so originally, retail investors were so, or just investors in general were just like, what's this Dogecoin thing about? And then with the whole GameStop and AMC, that whole shorting movement, Dogecoin started getting talked about too. And it's really, really run up. I think I initially got in Dogecoin at 3 cents. And to those of you who got in early and held this long, congratulations. That's always what I'm talking about, the importance of holding and having diamond hands. And remember, we don't panic sell. I did sell some of my Doge today. Like I said, I sold about, I think 70% of the Dogecoin that I have. And it wasn't me panic selling. This is what I planned to do. I wanted to do some profit taking because I got in at a good price and I had made a large return on my investment. So I was like, you know what? Let me go ahead and pull out. I kind of bought the rumor, sold the news on that one before Elon goes on SNL. I did see the price kind of starting to dip down. At this point, it's still early in the day. I'm filming this around 10 in the morning. I did see it drop down to 68 cents, I think was the lowest I saw, but I'm not sure what's going to happen. No one can correctly and perfectly predict the market. And I think that there's going to be some sell-off. I wouldn't be surprised if that's what starts to happen, because today is Saturday. And for those who were buying rumors, selling the news, maybe they did some profit taking. So I wouldn't be surprised if that's what's causing the number to kind of go down a little bit. But I am still curious to see if it'll get up to $1. And I still have 30% of my Dogecoin, and I'm holding on to that. If there's a huge sell-off, I'm definitely going to take advantage of that if the price drops and buy more on the dip, because like I said, I have a long-term position in Dogecoin and I'd like to get some more of it. So I'd probably dollar cost average in, or, buy on the dips if I see any good buying opportunities, because I mean, Dogecoin is making some serious moves into becoming a much more serious coin than just how it started off as a joke. I still think it's crazy looking at that little Shiba Inu all the time. I knew those were my favorite dog breed for a reason. It's making people some serious money, and I'm so fascinated by the whole thing. I really just want to see where it's going to go, how many millionaires have been made because of this, and I think with the money, the profit taking that I did from Dogecoin, I'm just going to reinvest that into Cardano, because I think that Cardano is the future. I've already got in that at a good position when I brought it up. I hope you guys did too. I believe I'm up like 13% in Cardano. That's ticker symbol ADA. I think that's a great coin. I know I keep saying I'm not turning into a crypto channel, and my next video, I promise, will be a stock pick review for those of you who want to know, well, what about the stock market? What about stocks? It will be coming. I promise you. I'm not going to let you down. I'm still a stock channel. But like I said, we don't want to miss out on money to be made. I want to call it easy money, but honestly, with Dogecoin, yes, it has shot up by large amounts and in a short period of time, but I wouldn't call it easy money that makes sense following off of charts and things that you would normally look into for why something is a good investment. It really just did not go according to, it wasn't like a by the book kind of thing, and it was a meme coin, and it has come such a long way. So again, I did some profit taking. I sold 70% and I'm holding the rest. I think, well, I mean, I'm not a swing trader, I'm not a day trader. I guess I did kind of swing trade with this one, but I think that there could be money to be made in the long term, because Dogecoin is now starting to do things that would establish better, make the price of Dogecoin worth more. It's more traded, it's available on more trading platforms, more important people are starting to recognize it. I think you guys should definitely do a deep dive on Dogecoin, because remember, I'm not your investment advisor, I'm not your financial advisor. This is just what I'm doing and what I think is important. I think that Dogecoin could really grow, but I think there are other coins to be paying attention to. I keep saying it, but like, it's altcoin season for sure. That is what was making up a large percent of my portfolio, and it was doing really well to balance out where I'm down in the stock market. And so my goal now is to expand my portfolio. I'm holding my EV and I'm holding my tech, and I am staying in it in the long term. So I believe it'll definitely come back, even though for tech it's still looking a little shaky depending on where you got in on your investments. If you just started investing, I know it's scary for a lot of new investors, especially if you started investing around March. So I totally understand, but I will be looking into a range of things to invest in. And I have still been dollar cost averaging in certain things in my stock portfolio that I already have positions in, because I think there's some good buying opportunities. And I'll be talking about that more on my channel too. Like I said, not turning into a crypto channel, but I will be doing updates as the crypto market is doing really well, because I'm not gonna miss out on money to be made just to only be tunnel vision on stocks. There's money to be made in crypto. You better believe I'm going over to crypto, and I'm making some money moves over there. All right. So I just wanted to give you guys an update on what's going on. Definitely watch Saturday Night Live. Refresh Twitter, Yahoo Finance. See what other investors are doing. Other investors that are making educated investment decisions. Don't just follow what everyone says, but definitely do your own due diligence. It makes a huge difference when you're doing your own research, because no one's going to care about your own finances more than you. Or at least you should care more than other people, because it's your money, you know? And again, there's links in the description box below to Webull and to Coinbase, and they're both running great deals right now. So definitely take a look at those. Links in the description box below. I actually held all of my Dogecoin on Webull. I just wanted to clarify for those of you who are wondering where I keep my crypto because I don't know if I've specified that. It's on Webull and it's on Coinbase. I have my ADA and Ethereum in Coinbase, and I have my Dogecoin in Webull. So this is just one of those real-time updates I was giving you guys. I know this video might be a little shorter than what you're used to, but I hope you are still able to take away a wealth of information. And remember, we're making money moves. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Have a good day. Bye.